Nah, helicopters make me happy. I hear them. I hear them. And he's hauling ass. Going somewhere fast.